Hi, good evening. It is nighttime here. This is PCNE. I have news. Wonderful news. My yellow canary had some eggs. And because they're blue, we know they're fertilized. She has 3 right now. And she seems to be doing well. She's sitting on the eggs, just keeping them warm. Every now and then she gets off them and eats and drinks water. And then she goes sits back on the eggs. So I'm very happy to know her that she is a female and that she has eggs, and be in about 14 days from the time she hatched them, which is around Easter, maybe even Easter Day. Not quite sure exactly when it happened, but I did notice for maybe 2 days she was sitting on something. Didn't know what she was doing. But we had a feeling that it was coming, but we weren't sure. Now we know. So, oh, and we make pictures on calling the Orange. I make some pictures.
You were prepared.
We were prepared. Yes. So she, hey?
Yeah, so she's gonna be able to take care of her eggs.
Yeah.
You gotta let them know that, because you don't want some advice from people that are probably could be good or bad advice.
Yeah, I find with advice that people will not give you proper advice. So it's best to leave it alone.
Mm-hmm.
Because with advice, sometimes people will dampen your life. So,
Well, it's not about dampening your life. It's about, like, we don't need bad advice from people that don't know what they're doing.
it's true. People will
Well,
give you
like-
bad advice. So
Oh,
I try
yeah.
and avoid advice from now on.
Well, we know what to do. She's so confused on the bad advice that she's ever gotten that she'll never understand.
So, anyway,
Don't worry, the bird's doing fine. There's a pack that's gonna watch her. The pack always protects her.
I'm learning day by day. You know,
I can't wait for those little ones to be born.
I can't. I'm super excited. So, I'll give her fresh food and water and
And be well protected.
make sure her cage is clean, and she'll do pretty much everything she needs to do from there.
What are you gonna do? Like, you're not gonna disinfect the cage or fucking kill the fucking eggs.
No, I'm not.
Don't
No,
be
when
retarded.
when it's dirty, I will clean it.
No, like, you let it do its thing. A
Oh.
bird does its thing.
Oh, okay.
Okay? You're not gonna sit there and fucking, oh, well, I'm gonna take all the food out of where the eggs are laying. And she had the eggs in where?
In the food dish.
Well, at least she's providing for the kids, right?
Yeah.
So some people think canaries aren't smart. They're very smart. They're already set up for this. She laid the eggs in the food dish.
We're doing really good already because female birds, they hatch if they're comfortable. No, they give birth to their eggs if they're comfortable. So the bird is doing being really comfortable. She felt really comfortable, so we're providing her with safe space. We give her privacy.
Sometimes chicken helps.
Chicken and her talk to each other. So
Chicken's a cockatoo.
yeah.
He must have a big long wiener if he can reach from that side to the other cage. Even the birds started laughing at that one.
Okay, so
I thought that was cute. I couldn't help myself.
I'm thinking a lot these days.
Yeah. Can we start thinking something and like put on a video? So if we think about making a video, can we just record about thinking a video? How is that?
Okay.
So we'll just think about making a video so everybody can think if we're making a video. So if everybody's thinking about doing a video, she doesn't pay attention. But you got to think about the video. So nobody can think. They're always distracted. What do you think?
I hope everything goes okay.
Yeah, I hope so too. Why are you thinking?
I told you I've been thinking a lot.
I know.
What I need to do is get doing. Stop thinking.
Okay, so ADHD was created by cocaine.
Red food coloring.
I think it was cocaine, but anyways. Are you gonna say Sia or something like that? I'm not sure.
Eat papaya.
Eat papaya.
Eat banana. Red pepper. Have a bowl of soup. Nutrition. Nutritious food.
Okay.
You don't need dip with your carrot.
Okay, we gotta end it at that one. You don't need dip with your carrot. You can just eat it. Just wipe it off your jeans. Just wipe the carrot off your jeans. Hey, how's that one?
Yeah.
Well, you gotta let them know.
And vitamin C is in the narwhal.
Oh, jeez. Can you say just the
I'm just kidding. I saw it on a movie, Human Planet.
Oh, jeez. She is so hard to work with.
Bye-bye. Peace out.
You know she's gonna take 2 fingers off and give you a... What the...
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Peace out from B City.
Love ya.
Love you.